Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create a snow sample in snow terrain. To create a snow terrain, first save the scene, lighting box sample is snow terrain. You can see lighting box automatically create files for you, snow per file. Nice. Here you can see profiles automatically created for you. First you need to choose your desired skybox. Not bad. Now I have textures. It's no textures. All textures must have read write enabled. And all textures must have same size. All textures must have same size. Everything is okay. Now first let me to create some shapes. Set height. Nice. Okay, now create a plan. Add water. Nice. Duplicate water. Direct here. This is a very useful water, simple water. As you can see, everything looks good. Scale, color, everything works out of the box. Speed, metallic, and so on. Okay, now you just need paint texture. Snow 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. The layers and so on. Okay. Just direct normal map. Now you can easily add terrain tessellation for layer. Lighting box sample, snow, materials. As you can see, a texture array created here for your terrain. Now you can easily control UV tile, displacement. As you can see, lighting box terrain shader is amazing. For smoothness map, you can drag each layer here. Skybox. Sun rotation. Everything looks good. Just add a reflection prop at the center. Fill the whole of the scene. Nice. What happened here? Nice. Enable ray tracing, reflection, and so nice. Paint your desired material, texture, UV, displacement, normal map power, a smoothness map. As you can see, everything looks very realistic. This is another layer. Paint here. UV tile, normal power. As you can see, lighting box 3 is much better than other versions. Everything looks very realistic and enjoyable. I hope this video is useful to you. We just set more items, more models, 3 models here to have a good lighting. Can reduce volume, all lens dirt, everything is on your hand. As you can see, everything looks amazing. This is a sky light intensity. This is a skybox exposure. Everything will depend on your taste. Also, you can use a color as a sky color. Nice. Ambient occlusion is useful. for tessellation parts. Okay. Finally, you need to work on the color grading to find your best result based on your taste. This is the filmic lighting. Nice. This is the volumetric lighting. This is the sun shaft. You can use everything that you like. Depth of field. You can enable global fog to make your scene beautiful. Nice. Everything will depend on your taste. Everything is depend on your taste. Okay, I hope this video be useful to you.